Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb la yasum to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Nahayun, prohibition. Nahayun, prohibition. We are going to learn how to instruct others not to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb la yasum to suit the pronouns below? La yasum simply means he should not fast. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb la yasum to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb la yasum to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach alifun. So the verb la yasum will now become la asum, which means I shouldn't fast. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb la yasum to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach nunun. So the verb la yasum will now become la nasum, which means we should not fast. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb la yasum to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb la yasum will now become la tasum, which means don't fast. Talking to a single male person. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb la yasum to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach yaun to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that yaun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. Now that our mimun is taking kasra, we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb la yasum will now become la tasumi. La tasumi, which means you should not fast. Talking to a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb la yasum to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb la yasum will now become la tasum, which means she should not fast. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single male person. I repeat, we use yaun to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from three upward. Plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb la tasum can only be used to talk to a single male person, not to fast. So if there are two, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the verb. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb la tasum will now become la tasuma. Now that our mimun is taking fataha, we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb la tasum will now become la tasuma, which means you should not fast. Talking to two male persons. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter of the verb. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb la tasum will now become la tasumu. And now that our mimun is taking dhamma, we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb la tasum will now become la tasumu, which means you should not fast. Talking to a group of male persons. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the waw, what is it doing there? So the alifun is only telling you that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb. Rather, it is an extra letter. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now we talk about mu'annath. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb la tasumi can only be used to ask a female person not to fast. So if there are two in number, you use the same form of the verb la tasuma, you should not fast, asking two female persons not to fast. So if there are more than two, you go and replace ya'un in la tasumi with nunun carrying fataha, then you give sukun to the letter before it. Now that our mimun is carrying sukun, so ya'un, our lost wawun, now that the mimun is carrying sukun, so the wawun will now be omitted. I repeat, and now that mimun is carrying sukun, the wawun will now be omitted, so as to avoid the meeting of two sukun at the same time. So the verb la tasumi will now become la tasumna, which means you should not fast. Talking to a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid number one. La yasum khalidun yawm al-ahad. La yasum khalidun yawm al-ahad. La yasum khalid. Khalid should not fast. Yawm al-ahad, on Sunday. Ithnan, number two. La tasum Zainab yawm al-ithnain. La tasum Zainab yawm al-ithnain. Zainab should not fast on Monday. Thalatha, number three. La tasum yawm al-thulatha ya Khalid. La tasum yawm al-thulatha ya Khalid. La tasum yawm al-thulatha. You should not fast on Tuesday. Ya Khalid. Khalid. Arba'a, number four. La tasumi yawm al-arbi'a ya Zainab. La tasumi yawm al-arbi'a. Don't fast on Wednesday. Ya Khalid. Khalid. Ya Zainab. Zainab. I repeat. La tasumi yawm al-arbi'a. Don't fast on Wednesday. Ya Zainab. Zainab. Khamsa, number five. La tasuma yawm al-khamis. La tasuma, you should not fast yawm al-khamis, on Thursday. Talking to Hashim and Khalid. You can also use the same form of the verb to talk to Ruqayya and Khadija. Sitta, number six. La tasumu yawm al-jum'ah ya ihwa. La tasumu yawm al-jum'ah. You should not fast on Friday. Ya ihwa, brothers. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Sab'a, number seven. La tasumna yawm al-sabt ya ahawat. La tasumna yawm al-sabt. You should not fast on Saturday. Ya ahawat, sisters. Talking to a group of female persons. Thamania, number eight. La asum yawm al-sabt. La asum, I shouldn't fast yawm al-sabt, on Saturday. Tisya, number nine. La nasum al-yawm ya ihwa. La nasum al-yawm ya ihwa. La nasum al-yawm. We should not fast today. Ya ihwa, brothers. Remember that the mimun in la nasum was carrying sukun. However, the lamun after it is also carrying sukun. You know, two sukun in Arabic will never meet at the same time. That was why the mimun carrying sukun has now been turned to mimun carrying kasra so as to avoid the meeting of two sukuns at the same time. So la nasum al-yawma ya ihwa. There are two ways for saying this. Number one, la nasum al-yawma ya ihwa. I repeat, la nasum, we should not fast. Al-yawm, today. Ya ihwa, brothers. So the second way, la nasum al-yawm ya ihwa. La nasum al-yawm, we should not fast today. Ya ihwa, brothers. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the comparison between amrun, commandment, and nahayun, prohibition in Arabic. Wahid, number one, huwa, he. Liyasum, he should fast. La yasum, he should not fast. Ithnan, number two, hiya, she. Litasum, she should fast. La tasum, she should not fast. Thalatha, number three, ana, I. Liasum, I should fast. La asum, I shouldn't fast. Arba'a, number four, nahanu, we. Linasum, we should fast. La nasum, we should not fast. Hamsa, number five, anti, you, representing a single male person. Sum, fast. La tasum, don't fast. Sitta, number six, anti, you, representing a single female person. Sumi, you should fast. La tasumi, don't fast. Sab'a, number seven, antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Sumu, you should all fast. La tasumu, you should not fast. Thamania, number eight, antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. Sumna, you should all fast. La tasumna, you should not fast. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clips and revise it using the PDF file below it. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.